There's a moment when you realize compressed air cans are not just inconvenient, but unnecessary. That moment usually comes when cleaning becomes routine rather than occasional. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, the channel dedicated to helping you make smart, practical buying decisions that hold up over time. Today we're reviewing the WOLFBOX MF50 compressed air duster, a high-power electric air blower designed for electronics, home cleaning, vehicles, and outdoor use. This product is built for people who want a reliable, reusable alternative to disposable air cans, without sacrificing performance. If you clean keyboards, computers, cameras, vents, or tight spaces regularly, this review is directly relevant to you. You'll find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment. The MF50 uses a high-speed turbo motor capable of reaching up to 110,000 revolutions per minute, paired with adjustable power levels and fast charging. More importantly, it focuses on consistency, portability, and long-term value rather than single-use convenience. Reason number 1. Serious cleaning power. The high-speed motor produces focused airflow strong enough to remove stubborn dust from electronics, vents, and crevices. It performs consistently without the pressure drop common in canned air. Reason number 2. Adjustable control for precision. 3 power settings allow you to match airflow to the task. Lower speeds protect sensitive components, while higher speeds handle deep or compacted debris. Reason number 3. Designed for repeat use. Built for durability and reuse, this duster replaces disposable cans entirely. Over time, it reduces waste and saves money without changing your cleaning routine. Reason number 4. Lightweight and portable design. At just 0.45 pounds, the MF50 is easy to handle for extended sessions. The included lanyard adds convenience for mobile or outdoor cleaning. Reason number 5. Versatile nozzle system. For interchangeable nozzles expand its usefulness across keyboards, PC towers, car interiors, and household spaces, making it a flexible all-purpose tool. Reason number 6. Efficient charging and runtime. Fast Type-C charging reaches full capacity in about 3.5 hours. On lower settings, runtime extends up to 4 hours, supporting long cleaning sessions. Reason number 7. Proven user confidence. This product is trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers who consistently praise its power, reliability, and practicality over disposable alternatives. Final verdict. The WOLFBOX MF50 is not meant to replace industrial air tools, and maximum power should be used thoughtfully around delicate parts. However, for everyday electronics, home maintenance, and vehicle care, it delivers dependable performance with long-term value. If you want a cleaner setup without recurring costs, this is a confident upgrade worth considering.